Looking to take your workshop to the next level? In this video, we're counting down the 20 coolest woodworking tools and accessories that are actually worth buying in 2026. Whether you're a beginner woodworker looking for essential woodworking tools or a pro seeking the latest smart shop gadgets, these picks are game changers. From innovative marking gauges to must-have clamping systems, these tools will improve your accuracy and speed up your workflow. Ready to see which woodworking gear made the cut? Let's dive into the list. Upgrade your DIY toolkit with the Shengbenhao drill saw blades, an essential set for precision cutting. This 8-piece rotary drill saw blades kit includes steel saw disc wheel cutting blades with 1/8-inch straight shank mandrel for Dremel, Fordham, and other rotary tools. Made from durable HSS high-speed steel, these blades handle timber, plastic, fiberglass, aluminum, and thin metals with accuracy. Ideal for carving, trimming, and grooving, they save time and cost while providing professional results. Easy to install, this set is perfect for DIY enthusiasts and home hobbyists alike. Simplify your woodworking projects with the Kreg Cabinet Hardware Jig, designed for precision and ease. This portable straight-hole drilling tool allows precision drilling without a press, using a movable edge guide to position holes accurately for knobs and small pulls. Perfect for cabinets, furniture, and creative builds, it ensures consistent and repeatable results with every installation. Built-in stops and adjustable guides remove guesswork, giving DIYers and professionals confidence in every project. Compact and versatile, the Kreg Jig is a must-have for anyone seeking clean, professional-grade results at home or on the job. Elevate your woodworking with the Lehman's Hardwood Froe striking mallet, crafted for precision and comfort. Amish made from durable birch hardwood, it offers excellent shock resistance, while its ergonomic ball-end handle ensures a secure, comfortable grip. Perfect for use with Froe tools, wood carving tools, and mortise chisels. This bell-shaped mallet excels at splitting wood for kindling, shingles, or small logs. Hand-sanded smooth and built to last, it's ideal for homesteaders, campers, and woodworkers seeking a reliable, versatile tool for firewood prep, cabin life, and traditional woodworking tasks. Discover the precision of the Suizan Kanna wood planer, a 2-inch professional hand-block plane crafted for flawless woodworking. Made in Japan, this high-quality Japanese plane shaves wood by pulling towards you, a traditional technique that produces thin, even shavings for a smooth, clean finish. Perfect for finishing surfaces without sanding, it enhances the natural sheen of wood and repels moisture for lasting protection. Ideal for woodworkers seeking craftsmanship and elegance, the Suizan Kanna delivers flat, polished surfaces with every pass, combining Japanese tradition with professional-grade performance. Elevate your woodworking precision with the Brschnitt Woodworking Rotary Burr set, a versatile 3-piece kit designed for carving, grinding, engraving, reaming, and grooving. The set includes a wood sphere rotary drilling bit, a wood carving ball grinder, and a woodworking grooving cutter, meeting the diverse needs of DIY wood projects. Perfect for wood, plastics, and other soft materials, these burrs attach to angle grinders with a 5/8" by 11 thread for reliable performance. Ideal for drilling, slotting, and polishing, this set ensures professional results and smoother finishes for all your woodworking tasks. Master the art of fine woodworking with the BeaverCraft forged Adze axe, a curved woodworking adze AX2 designed for bowl, spoon, and gutter carving. Its curved blade offers unmatched precision and control, perfect for whittling and intricate wood projects. Crafted from high-carbon steel, the forged Adze head stays sharp and durable for extended use. The ergonomic ashwood handle ensures comfort and stability, while the included leather sheath makes it portable and safe. Ideal for professional and hobbyist woodworkers, this Adze delivers excellence in carving, shaping, and detailed woodworking tasks. Power through any construction project with the Wrango Tools Titanium Hammer, a smooth face-framing hammer engineered for precision and comfort. Its 14-ounce titanium head delivers the strength of steel at 45% less weight, reducing fatigue while boosting swing speed. The 17-inch curved American hickory handle provides ergonomic control and shock absorption, protecting wrists and elbows during long framing, roofing, or carpentry jobs. With a magnetic nail starter and rust-resistant titanium finish, this hammer is perfect for professionals and DIYers seeking reliable, all-day performance in construction, carpentry, and precision framing. Keep your hands safe and take control of every cut with the Microjig Grr-Ripper table saw Pushblock. Designed to protect hands and prevent kickback, its high-friction, durable grip ensures extreme hold while guiding wood precisely, even down to 1/4 inch ripping. Fully adjustable for comfort, it works on table saws, router tables, jointers, and band saws, applying 3-directional force for superior control. Ideal for small stock, beginners and pros alike can cut safely, prevent kickback, and feed material continuously, producing cleaner, ready-to-use pieces with minimal sanding. Achieve precise, professional-quality woodworking with the Batoda Dowel Jig Kit. Perfect for creating floating shelf brackets and hidden shelf hardware, it comes with a 1/2-inch drill bit for exact hole placement. Made from industrial-grade aluminum alloy with a durable steel drill tube, it ensures rigidity and long-lasting performance. The adjustable settings and self-centering design allow for custom dowel placement and straight, stable holes, while supporting shelves up to 2.8 inches thick. Ideal for concealing joints, this kit elevates woodworking projects with clean, elegant finishes. Unlock precision and efficiency with the Pilim Tungsten Carbide Burr set, a must-have for metal and woodworkers alike. This 10-piece set with 1/4 inch shank features double-cut rotary burrs designed for grinding, carving, engraving, and milling on steel, stainless steel, wood, marble, jade, and more. Crafted from tungsten carbide, these burrs offer exceptional hardness, high strength, and durability, lasting up to 8 times longer than HSS tools. Perfect for deburring, leveling, surface work, and intricate DIY projects, this set saves time, improves control, and delivers precise results every time. Bring your creative ideas to life with the Shengbenhao drill bit set for your Dremel rotary tool. This 6-piece engraving drill bits, wood carving tools with 1/8 inch shank set is essential for DIY woodworking, carving, grinding, engraving, drilling, and micro-sculpture. Made from high-speed steel, the bits are sharp, durable, and heat-resistant for smooth, detailed results. With multiple sizes and specialty shapes, they handle outlining, sculpting, and fine detailing easily. Compatible with most rotary tools, this set is used for precise wood carving and intricate craft projects. Stop guessing and start marking with confidence. The Milescraft Center Finder is a center scriber and offset measuring and marking tool for woodworking, designed to deliver perfect accuracy every time. Its center hole holds the pencil perfectly centered as you scribe your line, while offsets range from 1/16 inch to 5/8 inch in precise increments. Notches allow easy off-center marking, and a rare earth magnet ensures convenient storage. Ideal for hobbyists and professionals, it's used to quickly and accurately mark centered and offset lines on boards. Tired of chasing your project around the workbench? Slipstick universal bench grippers provide a reliable non-slip grip surface for woodworking, painting, leveling, raising, and supporting. This set of 8 stackable grippers, each 2 3/4 inch round by 1/2 inch tall, features a durable high-friction surface that securely holds materials in place without marring them. They elevate and stabilize workpieces for sanding, routing, carving, or assembly. Strong enough to support up to 1,000 pounds, they're also perfect for steadying heavy furniture or machinery on floors. Smooth rough boards in minutes with the Wen electric hand planer, powered by a 6-amp motor providing up to 34,000 cuts per minute, quickly removing chips, splinters, and uneven edges. With 16 positive stops adjusting cutting depth from 0 to 1/8 inch, you get precise control for perfect results. The 5/16" rabbiting guide allows rabbits up to 1 inch, while the lightweight 6-pound design ensures easy handling. Ideal for fitting doors, squaring boards, and flattening joists, it includes a dust bag, kickstand, and parallel fence bracket. Take the guesswork out of layout work with the Clpa Center Finder tool. This clearly printed 14-inch circle center finder tool, protractor, circle maker tool, and compass for woodworking and wood turning helps you mark perfect centers and angles fast. Designed to find the center of timber or dowel with accuracy, it combines a ruler, diameter scales, and a 360-degree protractor marked every 10 degrees. Ideal for tracing circles, measuring angles, and wood lathe projects, it's used for precise layout, turning, and material optimization. Clogged sandpaper slows you down and wastes money. The Powertec Abrasive Cleaning Stick restores your sanding belts and discs in 8 1/2 inches quickly with its natural rubber eraser design, making it an essential woodworking shop tool for sanding perfection. Built from professional-grade natural rubber, it removes sawdust, pitch, gum, and glue without damaging the grit, extending the life of your abrasives. Easy to use while the sander runs, it's perfect for cleaning, sanding belts, disc and drum sanders, plus grip tape and rubber surfaces. Create clean, tight-fitting joints with confidence using the Newdeli Groove Router bit set. This 1/4 inch shank, 2-piece router bits for 3/4 inch stock set features a 1/2 inch cutting depth, T-shaped 3-teeth wood milling cutter, a woodworking tool designed for smooth, precise results. Built from solid, hardened steel with an anti-kickback design, it ensures safety and durability. Ideal for edging, veining, and grooving, it creates strong tongue and groove joints for flooring, rail and stile, and more. Compatible with CNC, table-mounted, and handheld routers. Accuracy starts with the right layout tool. The Sunlfprod Woodworking Center Finder is a 90-degree small square measuring tool woodworking center marking tool aluminum designed for fast, precise results. Crafted from durable aluminum alloy and weighing just 2.3 ounces, it's compact yet rugged for shop or job site use. 4 precision pins help you find center lines in seconds, while the 1mm offset blade ensures pinpoint marking accuracy. Ideal for checking squareness and marking centers on boards and circles, it's used for precise layout and woodworking setup. Moving heavy panels alone can strain your back and slow down the job. The Newdeli Plywood Carrier is a professional panel carrier, drywall carrying tool, plywood lifting tool for wood, synthetic cement board, sheet board, and padded drywall designed for safer handling. These reliable and lightweight double-handed carrying clamps support up to 1 inch thickness and 200 pounds. The smart clamping design tightens as you lift for a secure grip, while rubberized pads protect surfaces. Ideal for transporting plywood, MDF, drywall, and sheet goods quickly, safely, and efficiently. Precision matters when every fraction of an inch counts. The JessEm gauge tool is a 14-gauge stainless steel small imperial setting gauge designed to bring exact measurements to your fingertips. Made from high-quality stainless steel and aluminum, it features micro-detents for 1/16 inch adjustments and a max travel just under 2 inches. Use it vertically or horizontally by loosening the brass knob for quick height settings. Ideal for setting blade heights, bit depths, and layout measurements, it ensures accurate, repeatable results on any woodworking project. That wraps up our list of the top 20 woodworking tools for 2026. Which of these workshop accessories is going on? Your wish list first. Let us know in the comments below. We love hearing about your favorite shop upgrades. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss our latest tool reviews and DIY woodworking tips. All the links to these must-have tools are in the description. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more carpentry hacks and project inspiration. Thanks for watching, and happy building!